हाय स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक। इस वीडियो में आप कुछ एमसीक्यू देखेंगे जो कि साउंड चैप्टर से लिया गया है। ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होने वाली है, तो इस वीडियो के अंत तक ज़रूर देखिएगा। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इंफ्रा साउंड कैन बी हियर्ड बाई डॉग, बैट, राइनोसोरस या ह्यूमन बींग्स। And the correct option is C, rhinoceros. Next, note is a sound of mixture of several frequencies, of mixture of two frequencies only, of mixture single frequency, always unpleasant to listen. And the correct option is C, of mixture single frequency. Next, what is the speed of sound in air at 25 degrees Celsius? 346 meter per second, 213 meter per second, 4700 meter per second या 246 meter per second. And the correct option is A, 346 meter per second. When the pitch of note produced by a harmonium is lowered, then wavelength of the note decreases, increases, first increases and then decreases, remains the same. And the correct option is B, increases. Next, the sound wave travels fastest in solids, in liquid, in gases या in vacuum. And the correct option is A, in solids. Next, the maximum speed of vibrations which produced audible sound will be in dry air, seawater, in gases, in vacuum. And the correct option is C, in gases. Next, which of the following does not consist of transverse wave? Light emitted by a CFL, TV signals from a satellite, ripples on the surface of a pond, musical notes of an orchestra. And the correct option is D, musical notes of an orchestra. Next, sound travels in air if particles of medium travel from one place to another, if there is no moisture in the atmosphere, if disturbance moves, none of these. And the correct option is C, if disturbance moves. Next, a musical instrument is producing a continuous note. This note cannot be heard by a person having a normal hearing range. This note must then be passing through water, vacuum, wax या empty vessel. And the correct option is B, vacuum. Next, we can distinguish between the musical sound produced by different singers on the basis of the characteristic of sound called frequency, timbre, pitch या loudness. And the correct option is C, pitch. Next, what type of waves are generated by sonar device fixed to a fishing ship? Water waves, radio waves, sound waves या infrared waves. And the correct option is C, sound waves. If the speed of a wave is 340 meter per second and its frequency is 1700 Hz, then lambda for this wave in centimeter will be 2, 0.2, 20 या 200. And the correct option is C, 20. Next, which of the following statement best describes frequency? The maximum disturbance caused by a wave, the number of complete vibration per second, the distance between one crest of a wave and the next one, the distance traveled by a wave per second. And the correct option is B, the number of complete vibrations per second. Next, which kind of sound is produced in an earthquake before the main shock wave begins? Ultrasound, infrasound, audible sound, none of the above. And the correct option is B, infrasound. Next, in sonar we use ultrasonic sound, infrasonic sound, radio waves या audible sound waves. And the correct option is A, ultrasonic sound. Next, the velocities of the sound waves in four media P, Q, R and S are 18,000 km per hour, 900 km per hour, 0 km per hour and 1200 km per hour respectively. Which medium could be in liquid substance? P, Q, R and S. And the correct option is D, S. Next, which of the following can produce longitudinal wave as well as transverse wave under different conditions? Water, TV transmitter, slinky या tuning fork. And the correct option is slinky. Which of the following devices does not work on the multiple reflection of sound wave? Stethoscope, hydrophone, soundboard या megaphone. And the correct option is B, hydrophone. Next, the frequencies of four sound waves are given below. Which of these sounds wave can be used to measure the depth of sea by the echo method? 15,000 Hz, 10 kHz, 50 kHz या 10,000 Hz. And the correct option is C, 50 kHz. Next, which of the following frequency of sound can be generated by a vibrating simple pendulum as well as by vibrating vocal cords of a rhinoceros? 5 kHz, 25 Hz, 10 Hz या 15,000 Hz. And the correct option is 10 Hz. Next, the ultrasound wave can penetrate into matter to a large extent because they have very high speed, very high frequency, very high wavelength या very high amplitude. And the correct option is B, very high frequency. Next, the speed of highly penetrating ultrasonic wave is lower than those of audible sound wave, higher than those of audible sound waves, much higher than those of audible sound waves, same as those of audible sound waves. And the correct option is D, same as those of audible sound waves. Next, an echo sound in a fishing boat receive an echo from a shoal of fish 0.4 second after it was sent. If the speed of the sound in water is 1500 meter per second, how deep is the shoal? 150 meter, 300 meter, 600 meter या 7500 meter. And the correct option is B, 300 meter. Next, one of the following can hear infrasound. This one is dog, bat, rhinoceros, humans. And the correct option is C, rhinoceros. A key of mechanical piano is first struck gently and then struck again, but much harder this time. In the second case, sound will be louder but pitch will not be different. Sound will be louder and pitch will also be higher. Sound will be louder but pitch will be lower. Both loudness and pitch will remain unaffected. And the correct option is A. Sound will be louder but pitch will not be different. Next, note is a sound of mixture of several frequencies, of mixture of only two frequencies, of a single frequency, always unpleasant to listen to. And the correct option is C. Of a single frequency. तो ये थे स्टूडेंट्स कुछ MCQ ऑफ चैप्टर साउंड। इसी तरह अगर आप और MCQ देखना चाहते हैं तो आप प्लेलिस्ट सेक्शन में जा करके देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए मिलते हैं फिर आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ और इंटरेस्टिंग और इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन के साथ।